The active hours on your Windows 11. Windows 11 offers a useful feature called active hours that allows you to set the times when you typically use your PC. This helps Windows schedule updates and reboots during times when you're not actively using your computer, minimizing interruptions. Here's how you can configure your active hours on Windows 11 to suit your work or usage schedule. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open Settings. Press Win-I to open the Settings app. 2. Go to Windows Update. In the Settings menu, click on Windows Update located on the left-hand side. 3. Access Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Advanced Options under the Windows Update section. 4. Find Active Hours. In the Advanced Options menu, find the Active Hours setting. 5. Choose Active Hours Configuration. Click on Active Hours, and you will have two options. Automatically adjust active hours for this device based on activity. Windows will automatically detect when you use your device and adjust the active hours accordingly. Manually set active hours. You can manually specify the start and end times for your active hours. Select this option if you have a specific schedule. 6. Set active hours manually. If you chose to manually set active hours, click on the time box and select the start time and end time for when you're typically using the device. For example, if you use your computer between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m., you would set those times to prevent Windows from rebooting during that period. 7. Save changes. After setting your active hours, the changes will automatically be applied and Windows will avoid installing updates or restarting during the selected period. Summary. Open Settings, Windows Update. Navigate to Advanced Options. Under Active Hours, choose to either automatically adjust based on usage or manually set the time. Set the start time and end time to reflect your active usage schedule. Why configure active hours? Configuring active hours ensures that Windows doesn't restart for updates when you're using your computer, thus preventing interruptions. This is especially useful for work or school environments where a sudden restart could result in data loss or disruption. Additional tips. Windows may still notify you of pending updates, but will wait for non-active hours to perform the restart. You can manually restart your PC outside of the active hours if needed by going to Settings, Windows Update, and selecting Restart Now. ESO title, How to Configure Active Hours on Windows 11 to Avoid Update Interruptions.